welcome to Oh My God Legally Fab. I'm Amira.
I'm Andy.
In today's video, we're going to do a full face
First impression
using
Drugstore
products, but mostly kita guna Essence brand. The first product yang kita nak introduce kat korang is this Essence Fresh and Fit Awake Primer.
They are a healthy glow pore minimizing effect with vitamin complex and cranberry water.
Oh, colour dia nude.
Dia macam
Liquidy
sana macam warna macam colour nude macam tu, tapi when you apply it on your face, dia no colour lah, colourless.
Okay, bau dia sedap.
Bau dia
macam floral.
Kan ini bau cranberry water itu, no. Tak pernah cranberry.
Dia macam moisturizer lah sebenarnya.
And
Glowing
pakai, memang you akan nampak your skin glowing.
If you tengok closely, dia memang ada macam glitter, the particles of glitter. Glitter particles.
Tak adalah nampak macam too much.
Luminizing lah.
Yes. First impression,
Okay.
okay lah.
Next is a product from ZA. Color Match Shield CC Cream in Anti-Dullness. Satu lagi colour hijau, which I don't know what it is for.
Untuk hide pores and untuk uneven skin tone, so nak bagi brighter complexion. UV ni semua, and it contains green tea extract and also hyaluronic acid complex.
Ada SPF tadi. Katanya dia macam a dupe for Erborian.
If you guys remember our video yang Erborian tu, korang boleh, kalau we will link the video in the description box below and korang boleh tengok. Ini kegemaran kita orang lah, this thing works, and then kita nak tengok lah kalau ini boleh work ataupun boleh lebih baik daripada Erborian, we don't know.
It came off purple.
Oh, dia macam cool tone purple. Dia macam like, okay, bau dia macam, I tak suka bau dia.
Okay, bau dia macam nail polish.
Oh, bau paint tu.
Oh shit, bau paint lah. Is this real paint? Are we putting paint on our thighs? Oh god.
Aku tak tahu lah dia aim for fruity smell. Not a good one.
Tapi macam macam cantik juga. Okay.
Boleh aku nampak putih sikit.
Bila pakai Erborian tu memang nampak macam match your skin tone tu, sebab I tan jadi macam white cast. Dia macam you memang nampak lah you pakai bedak. Not too bad. For first impression, okay lah, boleh lah.
Dia macam lembut lah skin.
Dia pakai whitening cream lah. This is macam whitening cream. Is that even possible to explain?
Macam I nak kena buat I punya eyebrow. Tapi I tak ada eyebrow product yang Drugstore. I ada Innisfree, you guys.
I nak try this one. Colourpop No Filter Sheer Press Powder.
Again, this is not Drugstore, tapi price dia Drugstore lah sebenarnya in US dollar.
I'm trying the shade medium dark. This is the inside. I'm just gonna use this around my berminyak lah. I'm using Morphe G Savon.
Savon. I tak nak powder dekat my cheeks because I'm gonna get really dry nanti.
Biasa je lah, bedak biasa je. I mean, good for blotting kot.
I take forever to do my brows.
Untuk mengemaskan brows, I use Point Industrial Strength Concealer by Benefit. This is bukan Drugstore lah, tapi habis dah pakai convention je lah.
Okay, so next I'm going to do my eyes.
So we don't have eyeshadow from Drugstore, tapi kita kan make use with what we have.
I ada Essence Metal Chrome Blush, Beauty and the Bronze. Ini blusher, and then memang it's very pretty colour. Suits so many skin tone yang sama macam I. This is really pretty on skin tone.
How many times you've used this?
I dah guna like 2-3 kali macam tu. Sun-kissed effect macam tu. So for today, since kita tak ada eyeshadow, so I can guna this blusher as an eyeshadow.
I'll be using the Essence Glow to Go Highlighter Palette. Number 10, Sun-Kissed Glow.
Oh wait, flashback to mata bershimmer lah kita nampaknya. Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna swatch.
I think I kena...
You guys, nampak tak? Mungkin tak nampak sangat.
lah, dia jadi macam colour lain.
Colour dia macam rose gold actually.
I akan apply memang guna jari je.
Nak senang, nak cepat.
So I'm gonna swatch this palette.
What is this? Oh my god.
Cantik.
Cantik eh?
Lah.
I'm gonna try this one. Darkest one. golden.
Gorgeous katanya. So inilah efek dia. So I memang suka sebenarnya. Dia sebab bagi I dia memang on your eyelids nampak macam it's a beautiful rose gold colour. Nampaklah macam your eyes alive.
This colour in my inner corner.
I kira dah siap guys. I memang totally
out. Pigmented gila.
pigmented.
Also using the peach one dekat eyebrow. Kan?
Cantik.
Cantik kan? Untuk engkau pun boleh tu.
Memang suitable lah untuk whatever skin tone.
Nampak? Gimana? Kau suka pilih jalan ni apa ni? Kau suka pilih jalan yang menyusahkan diri?
Memang quick
Quick
and
one.
fast. Okay,
Okay, now
quick one.
kita mata.
Eyeliner from Catrice Koh Kajal in the shade 010 Ultra Black.
Clio Gel Presso Waterproof Gel Eyeliner. Golden Black.
Oh, sedap weh eyeliner ni. Creamy.
Dia glide easily. Okay tak eyeliner tu?
I nak komen lah pasal eyeliner ni. Memanglah dia kata namanya Ultra Black. For me it's not that pigmented lah. Macam maybe because ada eyeshadow tu kot. Tapi like it's not like black like hitam yang macam mana I expect. Macam ni okay je.
First impression. Okay lah.
Tak ada nak impress sangat.
Alright, whatever lah. So
Tak ada cat eye, tak ada apa. Just a normal one. Tapi memang terganggu sebab ada the layer of this one.
Catrice ni dia creamy lah. Tak kot rasa. Kamera ke depan. Okay. So this is how.
So next is mascara. We're gonna use the same mascara.
Which is the from Essence, which is the Volume Stylist 18-hour mascara, less extension mascara with lengthening fibers.
Really rave and actually
Tak baru beli, tak buka lagi.
I also dah guna selalulah memang go to mascara and I really love it.
I've never used it before.
So dia memang first impression.
Aku literally first impression.
Motif aku like tau. Semua produk ni kita macam like so aku dah like used to like.
Is it good for lower lash?
Tak pernah guna bawah for lower lash sebab I don't really guna bawah lower lash lah sebab takut macam dia apa smudge.
I have that issue.
Can you guys see? Mascara ni memang bagus. Memang dia lengthening and dia tak smudge, dia tak clumped up. It's a really good mascara.
Kau try pakai kat lower lash weh. Kau tengok jadi macam ni. Panjang gila.
Nampak tak?
Satu masalah dia tak tahu dia waterproof ke tak. So that's my only. Tak tulis kat belakang. Itulah.
Blusher pula. The same blusher, Essence Metal Chrome Blush. So pretty guys. Memang cantik lah. Memang suka colour ni.
Sekarang ni hujan. Kenapa kata kita boleh main hujan? Nak tengok benda ni. Test dia punya.
Nak try blusher?
Okay. Dia akan guna benda sama lah.
So I'm gonna use my it's pretty guys. Memang I suka lah warna dia. Especially if you have skin tone macam I. Dia kuat tak? Like kalau terus dia boleh lah dia kali. Oh okay.
A little goes a long way.
And surprisingly dia tak shimmery. Yes. One thing dia memang kalau korang tengok kan dia macam kalau kat dalam dia like glitter particle. Kamera memang nampak tak? Kau?
You guys boleh nampak kat sini. Tapi cantik.
Kalau go heavy handed pun macam dia still boleh perbetulkan dia lagi. Sikit. Itu memang. So
memang cantik lah. Dia macam natural. Dia actually rose gold colour. Like you guys can see. Okay, kat pipi macam ni.
Buy this.
Eyelid adalah, you know.
Santa. Hidung merah.
Rudolph.
I'm a Rudolph. Terlebih sangat.
Okay. Paling excited nak try ni. Apa?
Highlighter.
So, I akan pakai yang ni. Glow to Go. Tengok. Okay guys, I akan mix ini, kawan-kawan. Ini dan ini ya, kelas. Okay.
Tapi dia macam berterbangan korang. Dia tak boleh kau macam like harsh ni.
Kan blinding as fuck.
Oh.
So I'm gonna use I think I'm
you
gonna use this one
guys.
first.
Lihat itu. Wow. Okay, cantik. Essence tau ni.
Ikat macam ni tengok. Gitu.
Wow.
Berterbangan tapi macam like for berterbangan everywhere lah you guys. Cantik guys. Memang tengok jauh begitu. I dekat. Wait to the border like literally. Gitu nampak nice. Oh my god. Kita like tunjuk one. You see? Dia tak patchy ataupun dia tak dia tak ashy ke apa. Dia macam like dia cantik lah.
Hidung sikit. Normally I don't do this lah. But, you know.
Weh, betul ni nak buat apa iti tu?
I can pakai for lipstick. I'll use from Essence juga, which is matte. Okay, matte 07.
Oh.
Okay, tu warna dia. A cherry smell, quite strong smell. Jangan macam anjing sangat.
Aku dah Rudolph kat sini. I nak pakai lip gloss. By the way, by Essence, Shine Wet Look Lip Gloss. Smile, Sparkle and Shine.
Tim hari ni extraterrestrial. Oh, lipstick sama kali dengan baju ya. Matchy. This is the colour. Dia macam prismatic sikit lah. Oh, prismatic katanya. Prismatic tu macam mana you all? Tak, dia macam like iridescent. Iridescent. Okay. You see. Dia bukan macam hollow. Macam hollow semua. You guys, prismatic. Iridescent. Semua yang Aldenas.
Dia macam like
Macam really like extraterrestrial, I tell you.
macam lipstick mainan tu kan. Macam tu lah rasa dia.
Adakah orang nak pakai shine from... Adakah macam ni?
I think it would be good on top of her lip colour sebenarnya.
Okay, let me try it. Extraterrestrial. Okay. So this is the lip colour yang tadi tu. First of all, the scent. The scent memang kuat. Tapi
Essence punya benda
I like the
scent
scent
kuat.
lah. Pigmented. I have to say, this is not I punya first time pakai. I dah pernah pakai dah. Throughout the day, dia macam...
Dia matte tapi rasa berat dekat your lips. Right? Dia macam ada layer. Benda you macam dia tahu existing dia. Some people comment it's comfortable. For me, it's not really.
Okay, for me, because dia lip gloss, obviously dia just memang moisturizing lah.
Not the first time I try benda ni. I try tu and I rasa macam that time I was like between kata benda I allergic ke tak ke benda. Maybe dia minty ke apa aku tak tahu. Minty? Tak, dia macam tak. Aku rasa macam maybe aku macam nak membengkak tapi tak. So ini tak. Dia macam like maybe dia jenis yang macam plumping tak tu. No, bila second time pakai tak ada rasa apa pula.
Wet looking gloss. Memang glossy lah. It's nice but it's thick. It's so thick sebenarnya.
Tapi dia punya ada satu significant bukan taste sebab aku tak telan benda ni. But like you know the smell. Macam budak-budak punya macam lollipop something like that. But then
Itu problem dia thick.
Thick.
You know the smell?
Dia bau macam aneh lah bau dia.
Aneh lah.
I don't really like the smell.
Macam peledoh. Macam peledoh kot.
So I can try.
Kau akan rasa benda tu macam like
tapi cantik lah.
Cantik kan?
As a lip topper cantik.
Dia macam enhance. Dia punya macam tak nampak boring.
Cantik.
Kan?
Fenty Beauty ada keluarkan lip gloss yang macam iridescent macam ni kan. Tak
Lip
boleh
balm tu. Glass balm tu.
mahal. So better kita combinationkan yang ni je.
Okay. Terus macam ni korang.
Nampak
terus nampak mahal.
Nampak mahal.
Rasa mahal lah, nampak mahal. Tapi rasa bebat dekat bibir, rasa berlayer-layer. Rasa berat lah, tapi bukan boleh. Sebab lipstick tu dia dah rasa dekat surface dekat bibir. And then lip gloss ni thick. So rasa macam too much. Tapi cantik. Cantik.
So kita dah siap lah dengan muka
So
full
this is
face.
our final look lah sebenarnya.
Oh my god, and dia
Drugstore.
rasa macam ada aftertaste lah benda ni. Dia macam
Kan kau faham tak sekarang kenapa aku nak cakap?
Macam memang you rasa chemical lah. Aku rasa macam aku makan perfume.
Kan?
Macam
This
aku
is what
makan freshener.
So overall,
Our favourite product is this Volume Stylist 18 Hours Mascara. Memang this is bomb. The Essence Metal Chrome Blush in the colour The Beauty and the Bronze is the bomb. Ni memang cantik gila. The highlighter is bomb, you guys. Primer best. Primer memang bila pakai memang nampak muka you
cantik.
glow. Muka korang akan nampak glowy. It is
Legit.
apa dia claim, ya. That is all from us for this video. And if you like this video, give a thumbs up. Do support our channel. Do support Oh My God Legally Fab.
thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
We'll see you later.